how to delete Reels history on Facebook. So there's two things you can do here. You can go through the settings, or you can go through individual Reels and just delete them that way as well. So we can go to Facebook and go to the menu button at the bottom right-hand corner. And what you want to do is basically just go to your profile and you'll be able to access those Reels there. So go to your profile. Under your name, you'll see post, photos, and Reels. Go ahead to the Reels. And this section is going to have all of your Reels in one spot. So you can go to where you liked Reels. And all you have to do is go to the Reel and go ahead and unlike the Reel that you liked, and it'll refresh and that Reel will disappear. And you can just keep going through there. You can go through your saved Reels if you have any there and go ahead and unlike those as well. But if you want to go and delete all of your history in one shot, it's very simple to do. So we can come out of here, go back to the menu, and then go back to settings and privacy and go to your settings. And from your settings, you want to go down to where it says activity log. So we'll just scroll down, go ahead, activity log. Stay at the top where it says your Facebook activity and go to post. And then from here, you just want to click see more. And then you'll find the videos you've watched. So from here, you have two options. You can go ahead and hit the three dots at the far right side and just delete everything individually, or you can go ahead and clear and hit where it says clear video watch history, and you'll delete all of it in one shot. And it'll process a little bit, take some time depending on how many Reels you have. But that's it. Very simple,